Arbitrary keyword arguments very useful whenever we wanted to pass key and value as a pair to a specific function. So watch the video till the end so that you can able to understand clearly how this arbitrary keyword argument works, so that you can able to code effectively with this kind of a function. So we will be understanding these arbitrary keyword arguments with an example. So let us go ahead and see and understand the example clearly. So here what I will be doing is that I will take an example which is a function which is nothing but details here. So what I will be doing is that in order to represent this arbitrary keyword arguments, what we will be doing is that we will just put these two stars here. So two stars, or you can consider as two asterisks. So by using this only, we can able to represent arbitrary keyword arguments. So here what I will be doing is that I can simply represent this as args here. So arguments. So I can represent keyword arguments. So any name that you wanted to consider is just a variable name here. So now what I will be doing is that in this function, I will just print the details here. So before that, I will just print this particular keyword arguments here. So you can able to know what keyword argument that we are getting. So here, if I call this details with by passing key values as a pair. So even if you don't pass this, so by simply calling this particular method function, if I execute this, so we need to pass details here. So details, and if I execute this, you are getting an empty dictionary. So this is represented as empty dictionary, right? So by using this curly braces, we will be representing the dictionary. So by this, what you can understand is that this keyword arguments, when we are representing this with the two asterisks, it will considered as a dictionary, and instead of the dictionary, we will be having key value pairs. So now if I pass some key values here, so what I will be doing is that I am taking this name and I am passing a name here. So now if I execute this, so you can see in this dictionary we are having key value pairs. The key is nothing but the variable that we are passing here, and the value nothing but the value that we are assigning here. So by this you can able to understand whenever we are passing these key value pairs, and those are getting inside of a dictionary in this function, and we are getting that as a dictionary. So now if I pass one more argument here, and the argument is nothing but age here. So age I will take 22, and if I execute this, you can able to see that we are getting age here. So what I will be doing in this function is that I will just print the type of this particular kw args here, so that you can able to understand what exactly it is, right? So here you can understand we are getting a dictionary. So now what you can do inside of this particular function is that I will just format these values so that it will be very clear, right? So if I print here, I am getting name, right? So now what I will be doing is that, so the key, so I will take a f string here, and I will take the key which is nothing but, here we are having that key value arguments, and in this we are having every dictionary, right? So now what I will be doing, this is as a whole dictionary. So this kw args as a whole dictionary. So now what I will be doing is that kw, so instead of doing like this, so what I am trying to do is that I am trying to do this in a manually. So instead of doing that manually, what I can do, I can use a for loop to iterate through all these arguments, right? That is what I will do now. So for key comma value in kw args. So I am taking kw args, that is what the variable name, right? So kw args dot items. So by using this items method, we can able to get the key value pair, right? That is what we have discussed in our previous videos also. So by using this, we can get key value pairs. So here what I will be doing is that I will just print these values by using f string here. So I'm mentioning this as a key here, and is, I will represent it as a value here. So what I am trying to do is that name is Mahesh. So age is 22. So that is what the format that I wanted to get here. So now if I execute this, so now you can able to clearly see name is Mahesh, age is 22. So though we have just passed the name and age here, when it comes to the function, we are getting that as a dictionary. By passing that, by using this for loop, we can able to get all the keys and values separately, and we can use whatever the process that we wanted to do, right? So here if I wanted to add one more thing here, let's say country is India here, and if I execute this, so I need to function is equal to here, and if I execute this, we can able to see country is India. So like this, it doesn't matter how many number of keyword argument that you are passing. So you can pass any number of argument that for that function. If you don't pass any arguments, it will simply get a empty dictionary. If you pass any arguments, it will be having the key value pair inside of the dictionary, and you can process it and you can do whatever the operations further in this function. So I hope you can able to understand how we can use arbitrary keyword arguments to pass key value as a pair to do some specific process. So that's it for this video, and if you found this video interesting, hit the like button and comment whatever you think about this video in the comment section. In the next video, we will see combination of different arguments. So in our previous videos also, we have seen some of the arguments, some of the parameters, right? So we will be seeing all of those combinations so that you can able to work effectively by combining different arguments and parameters. So thank you for watching this video. To stay updated with my latest videos, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notifications to all so that whenever I upload any video, you will get the notification. Once again, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.